Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign in to our Soundcloud account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice or your mobile application, if you are using your mobile device, I'm simply gonna type soundcloud.com and simply gonna hit on enter. Well, this right here is the homepage of SoundCloud in context that you have not signed in. At the top right, you're gonna see these few buttons that sign in, create account, and for artists. We have already created a video regarding how to create an account, so if you're confused in any section, you guys can look at that video as well. But for now, we're simply gonna sign in. I'm gonna click on this button right here. Then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options to sign in with Facebook, Google, your Apple ID, or simply your email address. In my previous video, I had created an account using my Google address. In case you have created an account using Facebook, Apple, or your email address, simply follow the same steps. But for now, I'm gonna click on this Google right here. And once this opens up, I'm just gonna select the account from which I had signed up. And guys, as you can see, I have been signed in to my SoundCloud account. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how you sign in to your SoundCloud account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.